There's a world, far from the spotlight of the big factory teams, where rallying retains its true essence. It's the world of unheralded drivers, men and women who race for the love of speed, the noise, the vibrating asphalt beneath their wheels. They don't chase titles or covers, but the priceless feeling of mastering the car, curve after curve, meter after meter. Their hands are marked by hard work, and their eyes sparkle when the subject of engines is discussed. Their reward isn't a glittering trophy, but the applause of the roadside crowd, the smile of their co-driver at the end of the stage, the knowledge of having given it their all. They're the ones who keep the rally flame alive, that pure passion that resists time and fashion. Of the many stages of the 2025 Sanremo Rally, the Porto Sole Special Stage is one of the most anticipated and evocative. In this setting combining sea and mountains, the roar of engines blends with the scent of salt air and the glow of the Riviera dei Fiori. It is here that the city pauses to witness the spectacle of speed. Cars hurtle through the technical curves, while the crowd cheers from every corner. Porto Sole thus becomes a symbol of the timeless allure of the Sanremo Rally, a blend of passion, tradition, and the Italian landscape that continues to thrill drivers and spectators every year. A tribute to the history of motorsport, but also to those who, in the silence of the pits and the dust of the stages, continue to believe that racing is, above all, an act of love.